this hair is too tight. Ooh, my hair too loud. You see it? Hey PG Squad, welcome home. So today I've been making myself look like this for the past week. Since I did that wash and go, I haven't really been able to do anything with my hair. I just left it like this because we are going to be trying the easy detangling brush. Okay. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is PG. I do anything natural hair, fashion, makeup, straight talk videos, anything concerning the fashion world, beauty world, natural hair world. I'm here for it. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe a lot. Subscribe, it means a lot to me. So you guys, my birthday is September 4th, and by September 4th I will really appreciate if I get 500 subscribers. When I get 500 subscribers, I've been filming an intro from the beginning of this year, and right when I get my 500 subscribers, we're getting the intro. Yes, we deserve an intro, you know. So you guys, let's make my dream come true. By September 4th, let me get 500 subscribers, and that intro will be my birthday celebration, so you guys can see how creative I can be. I promise you guys, you're gonna love the intro, okay? So anyways, I'm over here just talking. Let's get jiggy with this hair. Okay, you guys, so this is my hair. I'm gonna make a 360 so you can see how it looks. It is dry, like dry. I tried to make it look a little bit decent by putting 2 braids up front, but it don't look decent. We know that. This brush right here, I didn't get it. Somebody bought it for my kid, so I'm not gonna say I bought it. I don't know how much it is. I've seen people talked about this brush and how good it is or whatever, blah blah blah. So I've decided to do like a review on it. It's called the Easy Detangle brush. I'm gonna read a little bit about it. Our brush can detangle hair type 3A to type 4C. 4C right here without any issues, okay? You can simply apply your favorite conditioner or wet your hair to easily go through the curls and detangle. I feel I just read a dictionary. So the person bought 2. My daughter already used it, so it's dirty, so I don't want to show you guys it. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna open this one. It also came with this thing right here. If you don't want it to be the comb, you can clip these on it and it will be a brush instead of 8 combs. So like I said, put water in it and conditioner. I have water in my favorite bottle. I am going to buy a water bottle, then I can pour this thing away. The same way, I think 2 weeks ago I was talking about I need to invest in a detangling brush, and surprise, somebody bought me a detangling brush, even though it's not mine, you know, they didn't buy it for me. The person that bought it for, that person is my child. So I'm gonna take these down and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so here it is. I just took my hair down. So first and first, I'm gonna try to wet it as wet as I can get it. I'm gonna go in the shower and get it wet. So you guys, here I am, just wet the hair, and this is what it's looking like. I love this hair. So I'm gonna part my hair. After this, I'm going to wash it. Isn't it funny how I was talking about I need to invest in a detangling brush, and then I get the brush before that video went up. So let me see, maybe I can invest in a new car, like a Range Rover. Maybe it will happen before this video go up. Yep. Ooh, this hair is too tight. Ooh, my hair too loud. It's not that deep. Let's see. Okay. Okay. That's not bad. You see it? Yeah. And plus, popping my curls. yeah, it detangles. Maybe if I had a detangle brush before that didn't do what this do, then I would be surprised. Like I have wide tooth combs, like that's what we use in this house, and yeah, it detangles. So especially for a hair that's been staying in one place for 1 week, it detangles. I can't complain, and I'm not surprised with my hair. As long as you put detangling cream in it and make sure it's wet, it will detangle. But let me see how long and how fast can I detangle this hair. What time is it? It's 10:57. It detangles. Yep. Just make sure your hair is wet, and then it's gonna do the job. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It detangles. My curls are popping though. Yep. It really does detangle. So I'm gonna finish this side and I'll come back with my final thought. So you guys, here it is. My final thought. Okay, so here's the amount of hair I've lost. I'm trying to get like a thumbnail. But yeah, this brush, it really is easy and it's fast to detangle your hair. It impressed me when I first brushed my hair through it. It did not impress me because obviously my hair is supposed to be detangled, but as fast as it goes by detangling your hair, I like that. If you have 4C hair like me, I recommend you getting this brush because it's good, it's easy, and as long as you know how to detangle your hair, it will help detangle. I've always used a comb, well not this comb, a wide tooth comb, always to detangle my hair, to detangle my kids' hair. And although we never have problem using the wide tooth comb, I would recommend you using this before you go to the people to braid your hair, to the Africans to braid your hair. Make sure your hair is detangled because these people, they will use a comb like this to comb your hair. But anyway, yeah, I like it. Do I recommend it? Yes, to all type hair, 4C, 4A, 4B. I've never, touched 4A. Well, I've had a wig. So yeah, I'm gonna try. Maybe next time when I'm doing something with my wig, I'll try to use it to detangle my hair with it. So yeah, I will rate it. I want to say 8.5 to 9 out of 10 because this is my first time. Hey. Okay. But anyway, sorry about that. This is gonna be our best friend in this house. It will fastly detangle off. I don't know why some people don't have respect. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, please by September 4th, I'm really wishing to have 500 subscribers by then because I will feel like I'm doing something, and for me to celebrate my birthday in the happiest way ever. I really want 500 subscribers on my channel, so please, please sis, bro, whoever that's watching this, subscribe. It's not gonna hurt. Subscribe, turn on your post notification bells, and if you will follow me on my social, all over here. I really like that. Again, my name is PG. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.